Our presentation is all about the cooling system. A cooling system is a mechanism designed to regulate the temperature of an engine or machine, preventing it from overheating. It works by circulating a coolant, either liquid or air, through the system to absorb and dissipate the heat. The cooling system helps maintain a consistent operating temperature, ensuring that the engine runs efficiently. With this system, its function is to reduce the hotness of the engine that could cause damage. Its main purpose is to protect the engine from heat-related failures, improve performance, and prolong the life of the vehicle. So, cooling system is from the word itself, cool, meaning it is the system that only used as a cooler. So, all in all, cooling system maintains the supposedly temperature of a vehicle while running.
Automotive cooling systems have evolved alongside car technology. Early, early cars, late 80s, used air-cooled engines. But as engines grew more powerful, water-cooled systems were introduced in early 90s with radiator and coolant to manage heat. By 1920s, antifreeze was added for better performance in all weather. In mid-20th century, features like thermostat pressure cups and electric fans improved efficiency.
In the 1970s to 1990s, tighter materials like aluminum and electronic controls made systems more effective. With the rise of electric and hybrid vehicles in the 2000s, cooling systems became more complex, managing not just engines but also batteries and electric motors. Today, modern cooling systems use advanced coolants, variable speed fans, and integrated thermal management to keep cars running efficiently and reliably.
Air cooling system. Some older cars and very few modern cars are air-cooled. Instead of circulating fluid through the engine block is covered in aluminum fins that conduct the heat away from the cylinder. A powerful fan forces air over these fins, which cools the engine by transferring the heat to the air.
Water cooling system in ICE engine. The cooling system comprises passages within the engine block and heads. A water pump for circulating coolant, a thermostat for temperature control, a radiator cap to manage pressure, and interconnect hoses to facilitate coolant flow.
What's up, everyone? So today, our discussion is about the car cooling system parts and functions. So the car cooling system consists of 8 parts, which are thermostat, heater fan, heated airflow, heater matrix, expansion tank, radiator, airflow, water pump, and thermostat. So first is radiator. Radiator cools the engine coolant by allowing airflow to reduce its temperature before it cycles back into the engine. Thermostat. It regulates the engine's temperature by controlling the flow of coolant to the radiator. Water pump. It circulates coolant throughout the engine cooling system to maintain consistent temperature levels. Expansion tank. The expansion tank holds excess coolant and allows the system to maintain proper pressure as the coolant expands when heated. Heater matrix. It uses hot coolant to heated air that is directed into the car to vent for warmth. Heater fan. It pushes the heated air from the heater matrix into the car's interior. It represents external air to the radiator to cool the heated coolant. Heated airflow. It warm air generated by the heater matrix directed into the cabin. Thank you. And that's all.
This is the basic construction of cooling system. Cooling system is an internal engine that is designed to maintain an optimal operating temperature by dissipating excess heat. Its basic constructions include several key components. Number 1. Radiator. The main component that dissipates heat from the coolant to the atmosphere. Number 2. Coolant or antifreeze. A mixture of water and antifreeze which circulates through the engine to absorb heat and transfer it to the radiator for cooling. Number 3. Water pump. It circulates the coolant through the engine and radiator, ensuring proper coolant flow. Number 4. Thermostat. It regulates the coolant temperature by controlling the flow of the coolant to the radiator. Number 5. Cooling fans. These are used to increase airflow through the radiator when the vehicle is stationary or moving at low speeds, helping to prevent the engine from overheating. Number 6. Coolant reservoir. A tank that stores excess coolant and helps maintain pressure in the cooling system. And lastly, number 8, the pressure cap. Located on the radiator or coolant reservoir, the cap maintains system pressure to increase the boiling point of the coolant, preventing overheating. In modern engines, cooling systems are typically closed-loop systems, meaning the coolant is recirculated and reused within the system. That's all. Thank you.
Our topic for today is about cooling system. Cooling system work by moving heat away from something that's getting too hot. This involves understanding how heat moves from one thing to another. Cooling systems are designed to remove excess heat from engines, electronics, or other systems. Heat transfer is the fundamental process by which thermal energy moves from one object or system to another.
In addition to the idea earlier, we have the concept of conduction and convection. Conduction is the transfer of energy, such as heat or an electric charge, through a substance. When we touch the hot surface or our mechanical parts that running through time, we experience burns. On the other hand, convection is a way in which heat travels, the way where the coolant gets the heat from each mechanical part or component.